If you want to turn off two-factor authentication on your PlayStation account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are updated. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the PlayStation website or open the PlayStation app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings. Look for the security section where you can manage your two-factor authentication settings. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. The section will show you whether it is currently enabled or disabled. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling the feature, make sure to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation message that two-factor authentication has been turned off. After completing these steps, your PlayStation account will no longer require two-factor authentication for sign-ins. Always remember to keep your account secure with a strong password.